So today we're going to be talking about my favorite things from the past couple of months, including ballet products, beauty products, and more. So welcome to my spring favorites. Hi everybody, I just wanted to do a quick favorites video today since I haven't done one in ages, let alone monthly, that's gone, but ages. So these are all of my favorite things from the past couple of months. Ballet technique videos will be resuming on Friday, so keep leaving me those suggestions. And on Friday, we're going to be talking about manèges, working on those manèges. So stay tuned for that. So the first favorite I want to tell you guys about is something I am completely obsessed with. I just discovered this a couple months ago, and it is an app called Bar Notes. If you are a ballet teacher or teach any type of dance, listen up. It's absolutely free, and all you do is download the app, load it up, and all of your iTunes music is automatically loaded into the app, and you can speed it up and slow it down. This is an absolute lifesaver for dance teachers because it used to be that you could use CD players to speed up and slow down, but now most of us teach from our phones, and you can't speed it up and slow it down, or if you do, there's an app where you have to like individually add the songs. This is an app where it's automatically done for you. So you open your ballet class CD, you click on the song, you can speed it up, slow it down, and it does it in the extremes. So it's also perfect for variations class if you're teaching a variation, or if you're working on a piece for a competition or for a performance and you're still working on it and you might want to put it under tempo for a little bit and then work to speeding it up to normal speed. It is an absolutely genius app. Whoever invented this app, please send me a message or leave me a comment because you guys are amazing. I owe you a huge debt of gratitude. This is an absolute life-saving app for any dance teacher. So please go check it out and download it. It's amazing. Okay, so for any other ballet favorites for the past couple of months, you guys know I have to mention this, the new Kathryn Morgan haul, which is a quarterly subscription box with all of my ballet favorites for the season in it. So I really don't need to tell you about them. It's all in the box. I'll link the video above. We're currently on the spring box. So all of my spring dance favorite items are going to be in your box. You can now subscribe to it. It is the first ever dancer subscription box, so go check it out. I'm very proud of it, very excited to be doing it. So I really don't need to talk to you guys about ballet favorites because I already did. So let's move on to beauty favorites. I mentioned in a recent video, I think it was my clean makeup and safe beauty products everyday makeup routine, that I'm using a lot of Beauty Counter products now, and it's done wonders for my skin. I'm pretty much doing 90% of their products. I have mostly their products on today. I still use other makeup here and there and other skincare, but 90% of the time I use this, and I've noticed a huge difference. So one of my favorite moisturizers from them is called the Counter Match. It is an adaptive moisture lotion, and this is the perfect facial moisturizer for any time of year because it adapts to your skin. So I can wear it if my skin feels dry, if my skin feels oily. It is so light, so, just it almost feels like water-based. You're never sitting there feeling like you have caked on moisturizer and, so it adapts to your skin. And you just feel so light, like you have nothing on, and my skin feels amazing with this stuff. I wear it sometimes to bed. I wear it under makeup. It's incredible. The Counter Match by Beauty Counter. Like every product, I've linked in the link in the box below, but this stuff, guys, I cannot recommend it enough. The other thing from Beauty Counter that is not makeup that I want to show you, that I didn't show you in that video, I didn't show that one to you in that video either, is their shampoo and conditioner. I didn't bring the conditioner bottle, but you also have started using Beauty Counter's shampoo and conditioner, and it's done wonders for my hair, especially me who's had a lot of hair issues with my thyroid problem. This is a lightweight shampoo. It has no sulfates and all those nasty chemicals in it. And a lot of you have actually commented in the last couple months that my hair looks better. This is probably one of the reasons why I've started using their shampoo and conditioner. And it's so light. It smells really great. It's kind of a citrusy smell, but doesn't then make your hair smell like oranges for the rest of the day, because I'm a person that cannot do scented bath products, like those like sickly sweet, make you smell like a cupcake kind of thing. Can't do it. So this is very, very light. The only scent I wear is my perfume, which is by Guerlain. It's a French perfume. But I do not do scented beauty products at all. This is very, very lightweight. Really cleans your hair really well. I absolutely love the shampoo. So if you're looking for a new shampoo, click the link below, give it a try. So moving on to makeup, let's stick with Beautycounter for a minute, although I do have some products that are not Beautycounter I want to show you. This is something I did mention in the everyday makeup look, Beautycounter's concealer. I absolutely adore this concealer. It is so lightweight, and you put it on, you think this is not going to cover anything, and it does. I have it on today. My mom loves it. It's great for different ages of skin. She has such a problem finding concealers that she likes, and she adores this concealer. It is a click pen, and it goes on really lightly, it blends beautifully, and again, it's all safe and natural ingredients. So check out their concealer. The other thing I'm obsessed with that I have on today that I wear probably 6 out of 7 days a week are the Beautycounter lipsticks. This one is in Rose. It's what I have on currently. I also have the one in Petal. It's a little bit sheerer. And these are very sheer. They're very moisturizing. I absolutely adore these lipsticks. Guess who else loves them? My mom. My mom has gotten the rose color recently, and she absolutely adores it as well. So again, not just from a 29-year-old's perspective, you also get her perspective. She would kill me for telling you her age, so I'm not gonna tell you her age, but she loves these as well. So the Beautycounter sheer lipsticks, beautiful. I mean, look at the packaging too, the gold packaging. Gotta love, simple and elegant, but the formula is just amazing. So the last beauty product I want to tell you about, you probably have heard and seen before, and that is the Dior eyeshadow palettes. These are not cheap, but they are so worth the price because of the quality. This is the Dream palette. That's what this one's called. They have different, I think they have maybe 6 or 7 different ones. All have 5 eyeshadows in them, and the pigments are just remarkable. I mean, they are really, really, really high quality, hence the price of these. I think they're like $65 or something, but they are so worth it. They last forever. I have it on currently, and I cannot recommend these enough. These are my favorite eyeshadows, and well worth the price of this. Dior, I think, is one of the most expensive makeup lines, and it's because their products are so good. So the next product is something I've been using to travel with. As you guys know, I've been doing a lot of traveling lately if you've been following me on the vlog channel, and I do still a ton more between now and the end of summer. I basically don't live at home anymore. So I needed a new travel bag to take with me on the plane in addition to my suitcase. I usually try and travel with just a carry-on and a big plane bag. So this is my new travel bag. This, I also showed you on the vlog channel, is by Kate Spade. It's this new, very multicolored, so much fun bag. This is a bag that I never would have thought I would buy for myself because it's so colorful and fun, but I was like, you know what, I'm tired of black. I'm just so tired of black. I'm tired of wearing black. I'm tired of black bags. So I got the colorful version, and believe it or not, this is a baby bag. I'm not pregnant. I bought this totally thinking it was a travel bag, but it's actually a baby bag, which is a good thing because the outside is like this vinyl waterproof material, and the inside is very, very spacey. And the place where you put the diapers, I put my computer and cords, and it holds them really well. And it's just such a high quality bag. And the material is so great and waterproof. And you know, with a baby bag, those are built to be sturdy. So I use it as a travel bag. And the girl at the Kate Spade store said that a lot of people do. I'm not the only one, because it's a good, decent size. I can fit my purse in here too. Travel hack, fit your purse inside a bigger bag, and then technically you have, you know, your purse and this bag, but you don't get in trouble because you only have one. So anyway, I love this travel bag. It has served me well on many trips already and will continue to do so. It's a great size, and it's just vibrant and fun, and I love the color. And because it's Kate Spade, it's built to last. So my last favorite today, I know this is not a very long favorites. You might have noticed on my wrist in several of the last videos, I got a Fitbit. I've really been trying to up my activity level and my walking and just being more active in general, because now being a YouTuber, you find that you sit a lot. Sit and edit, sit and film. So I was really starting to feel like I wasn't being my active self. And this is the Fitbit Flex 2. There are a million different versions of Fitbit. And I know the thing is now a lot of people have iWatches. I don't have an iWatch. I do not like watches. I do not wear a watch. For me, getting an iWatch would be a complete waste of money. I would not wear it. It's so big and bulky. But so I wanted to find an alternative. And so the Fitbit is a great alternative. This is the smallest one they have. It's called the Fitbit Flex 2. The only thing about this one, it doesn't do heart rate, but it pretty much does everything else. And it comes with an app. You can download the app and it tells you your steps for the day, your calorie burn, how much exercise, and if you've been sitting or don't get a certain amount of steps in an hour, it buzzes and tells you, get up. It also syncs to my phone and I get text alerts, I get call alerts on here, and yet it's very, very small. I literally just hit the camera with my foot, so I hope I'm still in frame and in focus. But anyway, if the background's all of a sudden changed, that's why. But it also comes with accessories. I got the bangle, or one of the bangles you can get with it, and it looks like a bracelet. I don't have it. I looked for it. I don't know where it is. I think it's in my room. But I have a bangle so you can slip out the tracker. Let me show you. Tracker comes out and you slip this in a what looks like a bracelet, and so you don't always have to have a big old clunky thing on your wrist. You can be wearing a nice bracelet and still have your tracker on and still get your step count and everything for the day. And it's great. I absolutely love this Fitbit, and it's very motivating and inspiring to really get those steps in for the day. So that's it for me today, guys. Like I said, ballet videos are coming on Friday. I won't be doing like continuous ballet videos because I know I have a lot of you on this channel that are not dancers, but I really want to start back to those technique and bars and give you a whole new crop of stuff. I'd like to maybe start using some students on here so I don't have to do it all because it's starting to hurt and I'm getting older. And I do want to start teaching you guys variations. That's also on my list to do. So, whole new crop of videos coming soon. If you missed the video with the interview with my mom, speaking of my mom, I highly encourage you guys to watch it. It's an hour long, but it is really, really worthwhile to hear her insights. It's right down there. You can click it to watch. Love you guys so, so much, and I will see you on Friday.